I test out this Nagoya 77OS and the 705, and it's got the wind camp stand as well, M0 FXB. FXB. So we've got this Nagoya NL 770S, as you can see here. It fits on the stand that you can get for the 705 quite well. That's the wind camp stand. Then you have this connector that goes underneath. It's quite handy that you can angle it up. So you can see it seems to be receiving my hotspots quite well. Let's see if we can flick through the memory channels. I'm not sure if it's going to hit the repeater. Not by the looks of it, but anyway, we'll flick through. See if we can hear anything at all. And we are inside. We've got a signal here. Let's go to it and see what it is. Looks like we're picking something up there. Need to get outside really, but the main thing is just to show you that the Nagoya antenna and what it looks like with the stand, and just to show you that it does just unscrew. So it's like a PL259. See, that's quite solid. S770S. You can see it's quite solid. It's 2.70 meters. You can adjust the SWR. We never tested that. Let's just put my this is my Yato 817 rubber duck on there. Just see if there's any difference to reception from here inside. So we've got a couple of signals there. Quite weak. Turn the squelch down a bit. They're a bit too weak. Let's try the SWR on that. So you've got quite a high SWR on the 817 antenna. I mean, there's no earthing fitted at all on the 705, so which you could just connect here. Let's just screw that back on. Try not to. The whole thing turns. It's quite handy, really. You can see the adjustment for the SWR, so you can lengthen and shorten the 2.70 meters. Right, we're back on there. The signals come up here. Not really strong enough to get in here, but let's try the SWR. Yeah, we're on about quarter power, so 1 or 2 watts. Yeah, so it's got a high SWR. And we are near a lot of stuff here. See if I got an earthing cable lying around. I used to have some earthing here. Right, I've got this thing which is an earth. Let's just see if it makes any difference. Nah. So yeah, well, it's badly earth and badly SWR, so it needs to be tuned to be resonant. I bet if I turn the power right down to virtually nothing, probably be alright. No, definitely not. So not a great SWR at the moment. M0FXB playing around with its Nagoya. Yeah, so we've undone the Allen key things here. And this goes up and down. We've pushed it all the way in. And now, when we whistle, we've got a better SWR now. Let's try 70 centimeters, see if that one's any good. Yeah, on 70, there's let's get it into FM. Move off that a bit. Let's give that a whistle. Yeah, on 70, the SWR is okay. Straight away, and the power's reasonably high. Not too bad. So on 2 meters, let's get off that frequency. Not too bad. We could even do the, let's try the SWR thing. So there you go. It's 2. So I'm going to move it up a bit. See if it gets worse or better. So we moved it up a bit. The bottom part as before. And we're going to give it a test. Look, we're 1 to 1.5 and lower. So I could adjust to get a better SWR. But to me that's completely acceptable. So let's try and do a call out. On 145. So what we'll do is exit, go into VFO mode, and then we're going to go to S20, turn it up a bit, turn the power to, it's only on battery, so 5 watts, let's check the SWR's right. Not perfect. We're going to call out anyway. Mike 0 Fox X-Ray Bravo calling. Can anyone hear me on S20? Mike 0 Fox X-Ray Bravo. Mike 0 Fox X-Ray Bravo calling on S20. Any contacts? No one there. We've got a couple of lines here showing, but you can't hear it. I'm very weak. Not really strong enough. Let's go back to VFO. Let's try and go on to ZB. Well, that's an FM link. Not bad for indoors. So we'll go to ZB here. Oh, it's saying there's a signal there, so yeah, so I'm accessing ZB. Mike 0 Fox X-Ray Bravo calling for a contact. Mike 0 Fox X-Ray Bravo, Western Supermare. So it's not a great signal indoors. I'm sure outdoors it would be very good. So the Nagoya 770S seems okay. Looks the part. It's quite a nice looking antenna. And we'll do some tests outside eventually. M0FXB 73.